Hello guys, welcome back. Oh, not really welcome back. I will be playing a game, a Black Ops 2, Call of Duty. And what I'll be doing is gonna try to mess with people. Yeah, on standoff. And this is Jackster28 here, and I'll be going to do it. With the shotgun, S12. Got 2 flashbangs, okay. Yeah, this is all I need right now. Okay, enemies right there. What I need to do. Gotta see if this works. Like now, I just alright, I have not been discovered yet. Don't want to jinx that. Oh, yeah. Died. Woo! Yeah, fuck you. Yeah, I tried to do that with the damn shotgun. How fucking crazy is that? And now I'm not doing too well. Okay, that's okay. I have a shitty weapon anyway, so don't really matter to me. Oh, oh. That's someone. One kill, guys. Yeah, but oh shit, I am not good at snipers. Well, I can be good. I just oh yeah. Okay, another shotgun. Another shotgun. Get out there. Okay. Yeah. Flash. I know someone's behind me. And someone's up here. Got him, no scope. I should have just stayed up there with him. Haha. Try to go nose. Oh shit, I didn't even see him. That'd be freaking sick if I got him. Bruh. Yeah, I have him though. 4 minutes. 25 seconds. Good, okay. Do a little bang. Bitch, you did. We got it, guys. So that concludes my video. So hope you guys enjoyed. I will be making more. So see ya.